progressing very well through the month. Today is day 21. We're going to be doing stick arms today. So if you have got a pole about 80 to 90 centimeters long, this is perfect. Otherwise, maybe just use your foam roller. That works as well. So we're going to make sure that we've got our body beautifully aligned, pelvis over heels, ribs over pelvis, and then your head over the top of that rib cage. As you exhale, your armpits go down a little bit for your arms just to float up just below your shoulder level. You're going to bend one elbow, and it's like Mariela's poking me in the ribs, and the other arm is just going to go out to the side. And then we're going to reach forward and find that position. And it's a bit like a bow shape. And then we're going to come out to the other side, and then we're going to go back out again. So you'll get a little bit of a neural stretch here. It opens up the front of the chest and just releases the arms. I'm going to do one the other way again. Thank you, Mariela. Now we can also take the arms into a vertical so that we can basically work the shoulder and the shoulder blade at the same time. So as you inhale, you're going to bring your pole in line with your nose. And then you're going to open out again. And then you're going to go the other way. Now, if you have trouble with your shoulder and you get a bit of impingement, then you would only go as far as your shoulder will allow you to. So you might not get to the full vertical, and that's okay. And we're just going to do it on the other side. Beautiful. And then I'll just take the stick, and you can just check in with your shoulders, and your shoulders and your arms should feel beautifully alive and nice and relaxed.